Welcome back, teachers. Today I'm going to teach you how to put a YouTube video into a PowerPoint. First things first, we have to find our YouTube video. I have one already pulled up here. If we copy the address up at the very top, right-click and copy it, we're then going to paste it into a Word document. And I have some directions here that go along with the Word document itself. So here is my address as well as the directions to follow. Now here I'm going to have to remove the hyperlink so I can play around in it. Where you see the watch question mark right here, that we have to get rid of. So that's the very first thing we do, and make sure there's no spaces. Anytime we see the equal sign, like right here, we have to get rid of that and replace it with the /. Now you're done unless you want the video to play immediately once you open the slide for the PowerPoint. If that's the case, and that's what I'll end up doing here, we're going to have to write and autoplay equals 1. From here we've got our URL, and it's formatted the way we need to in order to insert it into our PowerPoint. Now if we open up the PowerPoint, we have to go over to the Developer tab, and if you haven't done this before, the Developer tab won't be shown. So if you haven't hit the Developer tab, I'll show you how to do that right now. Go over to the File button. As we drop down, we have to go into the Options. Under Options, you'll see Customize Ribbon. Click on Customize Ribbon. Over here we see the developer box. I already have it checked, but it should appear unchecked to you. So make sure the developer tab is checked, click OK, and you'll have our developer button up at the top. Over here under Controls, you're going to see More Controls. There's a next button to click. Under More Controls, we're going to have to go down and we're going to have to find our Shockwave Flash Object. It's all in alphabetical order. So we'll go on down to Shockwave Flash Object, and we have it right here. Now you'll see I have a little cross sign on my PowerPoint as soon as I click the Shockwave Flash Object. This is going to be me drawing the box that the YouTube video will play in. We have this big box with an X running through it, and that means we're on the right path. Our next step is to right-click on that box and go under Property Sheet. There's going to be a whole bunch of codes over here. All we care about is Movie. Right next to Movie is where we're going to paste that modified URL that we have. So if we don't already have it copied, we can come back, right-click, copy it, paste it in here. As soon as we're done with that, we can hit the X button. From here, the video is set up. The only thing to do now is to go to Slideshow, view it from the current slide, and it should start playing as soon as the slide opens up. And it does. If you have any questions, feel free to come and see me, and thanks for watching.